Hi, good day everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make flower pot. Ooh, I love this, I love this, I love this. How to make flower pot in a very easy way. And please, if today is the first time of watching, please help me to subscribe and like and share to your lovely ones so that they can also learn from this. Just stay tuned and learn from it. God bless you. Okay guys, this is what we're going to do now. This is how to make pots. This is what we call pot, flower pot.
Flower pot.
Flower pot, eh?
Ano yung flower pot?
Flower pot. Then flower pot. Then this is the flower pot. This is what we're going to use because we want to make something like this. Now, then what you're going to do, before you put something inside, before you put the mix, the cement and everything inside, number one, you need to put the oil. You need to put this oil. You need to do this. Look at this. Then rub it here. You understand? Down everything. After let me show you. This is it. Then you rub it down. After rubbing it, rubbing, then you put cement. You take the cement, and sprinkle it around. Okay. After sprinkling it around, then you allow it to dry. Okay. After allowing it to dry, then the next thing you will do, you put this cement inside. After putting it inside, you just don't make it full, just a little bit. Okay, you just put it a little bit, so it won't be full. Okay, after putting it like this, then you allow it to, you just put it in the sun, allow it to dry a little bit, something like this. You can see how this one is. You see how this one is? Allow it to dry a little bit. Then, after you allow it to dry a little bit, then you put again, you put this here. That is the oil, because this one is not dry, you understand, but it's still okay. It's still okay. Then you take this oil to rub it. You can see how she's rubbing it. Yeah, after rubbing it again, you see, very, very lovely. Okay, you can see. Now, why she's rubbing this, I know some people will ask, why is she using the oil to rub by the side? Yeah, it's very, very important, so that once you pull it out, it will be very, very nice. Okay, to be to be like this. You can see how this one is very, very good and nice. Inside is going to look like. Now we are still working. Now just watch what she's going to do. Again, she sprinkled it again. See?
Ano? Balik.
Sprinkling the cement in the body again, so that if she remove it, once she remove it, it will be very, very easy to remove. See? Then after that, now she put this. She will put this. Make sure what you will do, make sure the side, the two sides, all the round side are equal. Okay, make sure all the round side are equal. That's what you will do. You can see what she's doing. Now she's putting this very, very heavy. Okay, look at it, it's very sound, it's very heavy. Then you need to put it inside so that it will balance. Okay, it will get balance so that it won't shake round. Then you mix. You can see the cement. This is the cement. Then started pouring it inside the hole. Inside the hole, you can see. Inside the hole. You can see how it is.
May newscaster ako dito. Nandito yung asawa ni Corina Sanchez. Tama dyan.
Okay guys, we are done. You can see how it is. You can see, very nice. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and just keep the bell ringing. Okay, God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. God bless you. Ciao.